Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Smells Tasty. Today's recipe is Bengali style Chital Macher Jhal. If you like this recipe, then please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And if you are new in my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon. To make this recipe, take a pan and heat it. Pour oil as per deep fry and heat the oil. Then add the fish and fry them perfectly. After done, flip over and fry the other side. Now it's perfectly fried. Take it out and keep aside. Then on the same pan, add chopped tomatoes and add pachforon. Mix them well. After mixing them, one by one, add ginger paste, garlic paste, and onion paste. Now mix them very well. After mixing properly, add cumin paste and again mix it well. After mixing, add little bit of water and just saute it. Now add 1 tablespoon coriander powder, and 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder and mix them well. Add cumin paste, now add little bit of water . And then add salt as per taste. Now mix them properly and fry them well. Now you can add 1 teaspoon of sugar. It's completely optional. If you don't want, you may skip. Mix them properly . After it gets completely fried, at last add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and mix them pretty well. Now add water and stir it a bit. Now cover it up and let it get boiled. After few minutes, open up the cover now and add the fried fish. Cover it up for few minutes. After few minutes, open up the cover and at last sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Cover it up for few minutes. After few minutes, open up the cover and the dish is completely ready. Serve it hot and enjoy your dish. Thanks for watching my recipe.